3 ways to brighten your relationships. 1. Relationships are often defined by the big moments, like grand declarations of love and other celebrations such as birthdays and anniversaries. 2. Body language, the tone of your voice, and listening and attentiveness are just some ways to show your significant other they're loved and valued. 3. Everyday small events can provide valuable insights into the status of your relationship. Small unconscious events can give us surprising insights into the state of our relationship. If you are listening to your partner, you can gain surprising insights into the strength of your relationship. They can signal unspoken needs, hidden frustrations, or even deeper emotional bonds. Body language. Every body gesture, posture, and movement speaks volumes about your partner's emotional state and the overall health of your relationship. There is a saying, action speaks louder than words. Body language is a goldmine of relational clues, acting as a silent conversation in any relationship, often conveying more than words can say. Nonverbal cues often being ignored can reveal the true nature of a relationship. A 2019 study found that aligned behaviors between partners may enrich feelings of intimacy. When your partner makes frequent eye contact or unprompted physical touch, or leaning in during a conversation, this is a sign of emotional closeness. If your partner is avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, or crossing their arms, this is a sign they are protecting themselves, withdrawn, or uncomfortable. While you are speaking, if someone is scrolling through the phone or texting, this may be a sign of avoidance or disengagement. Body language is a powerful, often subconscious way to gauge relationship health and should be closely monitored and observed. When your partner moves closer and engages in touch, it signals they feel secure and valued. Keep in mind that physical avoidance might be a signal to deeper issues, like unresolved conflict or anger. Acts of kindness. When your partner makes your favorite coffee with cinnamon and nutmeg, like my husband does every morning, just the way I like it, it's more than just a nice gesture. It's a subtle sign of their care, love, and attentiveness. These small acts are a way of saying, I'm thinking of you, and they carry more weight than we often acknowledge. Thoughtful acts include whether your partner anticipates your needs without being asked or remembers small details about your life, like going to the store and buying your favorite chocolate bar just because they were thinking of you, or reminding you about an appointment you may have forgotten. These small gestures reflect a deeper level of emotional investment. These small events are essential for a strong partnership. A decline in these small acts may suggest that the emotional connection is weakening. A consistent act of kindness highlights a commitment to deepening and maintaining the relationship. They are powerful and unspoken affirmations of your partner's investment in your shared life and the strength of your bond. When your partner remembers small things like your favorite movie or songs, a story from weeks ago, or a minor change in your mood, it shows they're tuned into your world and value your experiences. On the other hand, if they start forgetting these details, it may indicate their distance, emotionally distracted, or not fully engaged. To gauge attentiveness, watch for whether your partner remembers minor details you've shared or notices when you're not feeling well, and checks in with you if you are late coming home. Remember, while occasional forgetfulness is normal, especially as you age, a consistent lack of attention to the small things can indicate they're mentally withdrawing. We constantly send subtle signals for reassurance and attention through our body language, tones, and when we sigh. How your partner responds to these cues shows their emotional investment in the relationship. A partner who is in tune will notice when you're sad, stressed, or excited and offer appropriate responses such as comfort, a hug, or encouragement. Consistent responsiveness strengthens your connection, while a lack of it can indicate growing disconnection. Watch how your partner responds to your emotional needs. If they offer support and caring, or check in when you're upset and listen after a difficult day at work, it shows they value your emotional bond. In contrast, if they ignore or dismiss your cues, it may signal emotional detachment, leading to feelings of isolation. Just as your partner's behaviors reveal insights into the relationship, your actions do the same. Use this awareness as a tool to not only understand your partner better, but also to reflect on your own behaviors and how they may be shaping the dynamics of your relationships. If you find this video helpful, please share with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel. Most grateful.